Hi, in this video I will show you how to set any photo as a widget on the iPhone. So the process is pretty simple. First of all, go to your Apple Store and download the photo widget application, and once you will download it, install it on your phone and open it. Now open this app, you will see plus icon here. Tap on it, and once you will tap on it, it will go to your photo library. Select any picture you want as a widget on your screen. Now return on the home screen and hold down to any empty space on the home screen to activate jiggle mode. After that, tap to the plus on the left top corner. Once you will do it, you will see photo widget here. You have to tap on it, and after that you have to check 3 available sizes by swiping left or right. After that, click on the done, and once you will done on it, your widget is here on your screen. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.